Have you also been including greens in your diet mindlessly, hoping they would provide all the nutrients you need? Well, you've got to stop right now. Before sipping any beans, you should be aware of whether it is fulfilling your purpose or not, and what beans are capable of. That's why we're bringing you the top 5 healthiest beans to eat that'll help you include sufficient plant-based nutrient value in your diet. Beginning with number 5, chickpeas. These puffed heart-shaped minions are basically nature's powerhouse. Chickpeas are widely available in many colors and varieties, but the most famously used are the large tan-colored kabuli. These beans are a great source of fiber and proteins. Do you also have the habit of unhealthy snacking? Well, eating these beans will help you reduce that and make you feel full. Eating high-fiber foods aids digestion, blood circulation, and also reduces risks of cancer. Chickpeas also contain high amounts of iron, phosphorus, copper, and zinc, which are very vital for the body's processes like strengthening bones, improving gut health, speeding up the immune system, and even the basic growth function. It also contains polyunsaturated fats. If you didn't know about polyunsaturated fats, now is the time. Polyunsaturated fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels in your blood, which can lower your risk of heart disease and strokes. Got garbanzo beans? Blend these legumes into hummus, form them into falafel, or roast them up for a crispy snack. Trust me, they're delicious regardless of how you make them. Moving on to number 4, green peas. Green peas, also known as the garden peas, have been a well-known addition to the human diet for hundreds of years. These small spherical seeds are widely grown all over the world. Just like chickpeas, they're also found in varieties like yellow beans, purple beans, and black-eyed peas, amongst whom green peas are the most popular and largely consumed. Peas are extremely rich in proteins, fibers, carbohydrates, vitamin A, K, and C, thiamine, iron, zinc, antioxidants, and the special ingredient, the polyphenols, which allow it to have all the abilities that it demonstrates, such as being capable of preventing stomach cancer. Yes, you heard it right. Scientists are looking into growing specific kinds of peas that are capable of preventing gastric cancer. Any ordinary human being has the fear of aging, or is at least insecure about the effects of it, which includes the fine lines and formation of collagen. Well, green peas have also been proven to be anti-aging. Incredible, right? Let's move on to another extremely beneficial bean. At number 3 are lentils. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and are packed with health benefits. Being rich in fibers, lentils prove to be skilled in lowering cholesterol and stabilizing blood sugar levels. They also have rich amounts of iron, folate, and potassium, adding lots and lots to their aid, such as improving heart health and supporting healthy digestion. They're also rich in polyphenols, which contribute to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 115 calories, 20 grams carbohydrate, 9 grams protein, 8 grams fiber, and 0 grams saturated fat seems a little too much to gain at once. All you gotta do is cook half a cup of lentils and there you have it. They're not just nutritious, they're also easy to eat, affordable, and versatile. Incorporating lentils into your favorite soups, stews, and rice and grain dishes, or adding them to salads or roasted or sauteed vegetables will give you a low-fat dose of protein and fiber. Next up are soybeans. Being rich in fiber, proteins, and omega acids, soybeans have been a staple Asian cuisine for thousands of years. They are from the pea family and are especially popular amongst people following vegetarian and vegan diets as they are lactose-free. These provide large quantities of antioxidants and are also rich in phytoestrogens. Having a diet rich in soy foods is linked with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease, including stroke and coronary heart disease. The most exciting part about these are they help as a mild menopausal therapy for all women around that age. That's not all it does. Soybeans also have other possible health benefits, such as being an aid in lowering blood pressure, improving blood vessels and bone health, protecting against breast cancer, as well as improving cognitive skills and memory. Consume it with rice or mix it in your salads, make it a curry, or fry them as crispy bites. Soybeans offer it all. And the last bean for the day is the kidney bean. Kidney beans are mainly composed of carbs and fiber, but also serve as a good source of protein, which may aid weight loss, promote colon health, and moderate blood sugar levels. These beans are reddish brown in color with a mild taste when boiled, but easily absorb flavors from whatever seasonings they're cooked in. They also have high quantities of folic acid, calcium, potassium, vitamin B1, and magnesium, amongst other essential nutrients, all of which are important for proper function of the body. And here's a fun fact about it: kidney beans are a very popular dish in most parts of the Asian continent, as they constitute rich delicacies. So there you have it, guys, the top 5 healthiest beans you should consider adding to your diet. Let us know in the comments which health boosting food our next video should cover. We'll meet you soon. Till then, take care.